Climb inside the 2008 Toyota Prius. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.